Alright, Paul here again from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you quickly how this thing works. The headlight, because some people, one of the customers sent me a message saying it doesn't really work because you got to turn it off all the time. Not really. I only turned it off when I actually showed you, so otherwise it will always come on because it's dark. So right now this is a normal condition during the day. Sensor's on, the car's on. Once you leave it on, you can just look here. Turn it off, it's off. Everything's off. That will just flicker on in the background there. It doesn't draw any current anyway. It's only a little light. Alright, it's a blue light. I can't get, that's all I've got. If I had a yellow, I know yellow is better, or red. But this one here is blue all the time. So it's actually lighted. The light switch is on off position. That's off. Car's off. So let's say you're driving through the tunnel. You can see the reflection of the headlight on that black car there. So, all right, just say you're driving and all of a sudden you go through the tunnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover the sensor, make sure it's dark, like that, and look at the headlights. Alright, that rag wasn't that good enough, so I've got to get a black rag. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to cover the windscreen. See, the lights came on. See the reflection in that car? It came on. Instantly it came on when I covered the sensor. So the light will always be on, even if I take it away and take the lights back. So you just got out of the tunnel. It's going to take 20 seconds for the lights to turn off. Pretty much. So just watch it closely. Off. Alright? And that's it. It's still on off position. Drive the car. That's the function of it. Alright? So thanks for watching and please subscribe.